Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.
The scarf is truly the most versatile yet most overlooked accessory in our wardrobes. Be it a colorful silk scarf, a cute pocket scarf, or even a warm shawl, we're going to show you some unconventional ways to style these wardrobe essentials. Last-minute party plans? Use a scarf to make a chic yet stylish top. Drape the scarf over your shoulder. Fold the scarf outwards at the neck for a finished look. Secure it with a belt. A stiff scarf works best for this look, as it instantly adds structure and holds the shape. Give your basic sling bag an easy makeover. Take a square-shaped scarf and fold it in half into a triangle. Placing the flap of your sling bag in the middle of it, tie the folded scarf on the inside of the flap. So here you have it, an edgy touch to a basic bag. You can also tie a knot on the outside of the flap for a stylish variation. A scarf as a sarong is passé. Here's how you can use a scarf to make a proper skirt. Fold the scarf in half and wrap it around your waist. As you finish tucking it around the second time, leave one end of the scarf forming a one-sided cowl. Pin the tucked end to secure it. This scarf trick will make sure you don't miss your flowy cover-ups. Pick a flowy lightweight scarf for this. Now take it around your chest, tying the two ends of the scarf behind your neck. And you're all covered up. Just remember, the bigger the width of the scarf, the longer your cover-up will be. Here's another cool way to turn your scarf into a skirt. Hold your shawl scarf around your waist. Grasp away from the ends for this one. Make a twist with the two ends. Tuck the ends at the waist. Just remember, the longer the width of your scarf, the longer your skirt will be. So what are you waiting for? Don't toss your scarves away just because it is in winter, and give your wardrobe a scarf-filled makeover instead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.